I have handled the NCC cadets also. I had a tenure. In fact, I had two tenures in NCC and in a different areas.
Yeah.
Student of different variety also. One thing is, firstly, your point is correct. Let me tell you, a lot of people get screened out itself. But reason is, let me tell you, one thing which really slightly gets into their head is they say ki, we are getting direct call without facing the written test. All those
Yeah.
candidates who are called for NCC entry and in the bargain they stop reading current affairs.
Hello, viewers. Welcome on today's session. Today we'll be covering major doubts associated with SSB. And before we move forward, let me tell you that we have very special guest with us today, Colonel Rajveer Sharma sir. He's constantly guiding aspirants for the SSB interview at his academy, Future Army Officers Academy. I have to say this that, sir, I always wanted to interact with you, and I have been an ardent follower of your YouTube channel, sir. It's totally an honor having you with us, sir, and we welcome you on the Career Type platform. Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your kind words. Thank you.
So, thank you, sir. Sir, when we talk about SSB, there are never-ending doubts of aspirants when we talk about the same, and we have some major questions, and we need your guidance in the same, sir. Moving
Yeah,
uh,
please.
moving forward to the question, sir. The first question and my favorite question, sir. What actually is the SSB looking for in a candidate, sir?
Okay, let me tell you. I always tell my candidates SSB is the easiest interview in the world. If
Okay.
you are a straightforward person, honest, dedicated, if you have got leadership qualities, they will not permit you to fall back after fifth day. You will be recommended, retained, and you will be thrown to the medical specialist for all detailed medical checkups.
Okay.
And they pay you for their journey. They give you good food, good accommodation. And let me tell you, this is the best and the most foolproof system in the world, not
Yeah.
only India. A lot of countries have copied this system from us.
Yeah.
And one more thing I tell people,
Yeah.
you do things in a correct manner. It will, everything will fall down in your way. Don't try to manipulate things. Don't try to exaggerate. Don't tell a lie. Everything will fall into your place. Let me tell you, I can assure you, SSB the simplest thing. But
Okay.
people think I don't know what it is, and then they either exaggerate or just go to some tangents, which automatically will get a confused personality. Let me
Yeah.
tell you. Go walk in a straight line. Nothing will go wrong. It is the easiest one.
Okay, sir. Sir, when one enters for the SSB, what actually makes the first impression of the candidate?
Firstly, you see, if we cover like it is in total process is 5 days.
Yes. Sir.
First day is screening, and final day is your conference. And let me tell you, there is no impression. You write, and you are just based on your written capabilities. Like
Yeah.
in screening test, one is your OIR in verbal and non-verbal. Of course, you have already proved your intelligence by clearing the written test.
Yes.
There are some of the entries which do not have written tests. So OIR is one test which still gives, or you can say, a hint about your basic IQ. An
Okay.
officer has to be at least an above average IQ. Then is your PPDT test, picture perception and description test. There is one picture is shown to you, and based on that, you write a story in 4 minutes. You of course give some technical details about number of characters, the mood of the story, and you assess the age also. And based on this PPDT, there is a group discussion as well as you carry out the narration. And
Yeah.
let me tell you, sometimes people say, "Sir, I never got a chance to speak during the group discussion. It becomes a fish market." I
Yeah.
always ask, Who stopped you in expressing yourself in during narration? Everybody has got 1 minute. Nobody had disturbed you during that 1 minute.
Yeah.
And in SSB, you are not just for one thing. Something as you have not been able to perform at one place, it is not considered. You get adequate chance to express
Yeah.
yourself, to show your leadership qualities. So this is the first day.
Yeah.
So here, whatever you have written, you have been judged based on that. Then, like in short, I will tell second day, then the GTO test starts, psychologist test starts. There is 12 stories, 60 SRTs, 60 VAT. You are writing, you are telling them what I am.
Yes.
See, you are telling them you are this type, and
Yeah.
you are proving, yeah, please recommend me. I fit into your system,
Yeah.
and you are telling, yeah, please don't take. I don't fit into your system. I just came for just 3-4 days outings.
Yeah.
It is a fantastic test, and people think it is a test of English. No, it is test of your psyche, test of your personality. Of course, English has become a international language. Some of the students they asked me. Even today, there was a question from a candidate. Sir, ये English जरूरी है क्या? I
Yeah.
said, firstly, language is a medium where we interact with each other.
Yeah.
But certainly in SSB, all the tests, what you are expressing is all in English, whether it's SRT, VET. So you have to have a basic knowledge of English. Of course, when you get struck in any of the thing while in group discussion or lecturate or in any of the other activity, including your interview, that time suddenly you can for one or two odd word, even for one sentence or any of the particular saying also, you can switch on to any language for that matter which people are understanding. It can be Hindi, it can be Bhojpuri, it can be Punjabi, which environment understands. But then
Yeah.
switch over to English. So psychologist, he do not take any impression of you. He reads what you have written. And gentlemen, let me tell you, you cannot pretend. You may pretend in one or two, three stories, but by the time you reach your 12th one, the real gentleman out of you will come out. You yourself will vomit out in on paper.
Yeah.
So this is SSB. Then you are tested for, let us say, group planning exercise. Group planning exercise, give a hint like what are the problems you see in that particular narrative which you are given to you. In that narrative, you should be able to identify problems almost very clearly expressed. But then you have to listen to the briefing of the GTO who is telling you. He tells you about whether it is a sand model or cloth model. A very clear picture is given to you. And analyze what are your resources and what is the time limit, how much you can do. You cannot be something Superman or Batman. You are a normal human being, and
Yeah.
whatever best can be done, do that. Your words, your action should be logical. Your words, you should be using a very appropriate, suitable words which you select meticulously. And let me tell you, when you are doing all this activity in the air, you get a feeling, yes, you are going on right way. That boost of your morale, I can assure you. Like it is something like when we attempt a paper, and
Yeah.
after doing 3-4 questions, we realize I'm doing well. There's nothing
Yeah.
wrong, and keep going ahead. And that is only possible when you are prepared well. Like now, we will talk about the progressive group tasks, command tasks, half group tasks, which are the outdoor activities of the GTO task, including the invisible obstacles.
Yes.
Let me tell you, people say, सर मेरा ये खराब हो गया, मैं वहाँ अच्छा नहीं कर पाया. दूसरे लोगों ने ग्रुप बना लिया. Sometimes people even complain that in progressive group tasks there were some people from particular school or particular area, they made a group. I could know. Let me tell you, like first, or there are 4 obstacles in progressive group tasks.
Yes.
Maybe in first everybody is very fresh. Maybe you may not have got chance. First one is comparatively easier also. Then second, and let me tell you, by the time you reach third obstacle, almost half of the crowd is already exhausted. That's the
Yeah.
time you can emerge out as a leader. These all exercise except command tasks are all leaderless exercises. A leader has to come out of the crowd.
Yes.
People have to select a leader. When you are talking correct, when you are talking logical, when you are a group man, you will do well in progressive group tasks. Let me see if you have not been able to do very well in progressive group tasks. Then there's a half group task.
Yes.
Now you cannot say that they made a group, I was sidelined. No. Let us say still everybody came in your group who are trying to sideline you other than you. The
Yeah.
worst scenario, there's a command task given to you. You are an independent commander. Prove your worth. GTO is noticing what you're doing. And let me tell you, I want to tell everyone the name is SSB. They are selection boards, not rejection board. But you have
Yeah.
to prove it. Name itself says आपको select करने के लिए बैठे हैं आप prove तो कीजिए अपने आप को. Command
Absolutely.
task. Command task, you are the commander. You give instruction. Before giving instruction, you should be very, very carefully listening to the GTO. He is giving you detailed instructions. After his instruction, you brief your two subordinates for that particular moment whom you have selected. Your selection should have been very good.
Yeah.
You should know by now, this is second or third day. By now, you know who is the fittest in the group, who is most cooperative, who has got more stamina, and who will be an asset to you in performing and completing that task in given time limit. Brief them accordingly, what you desire from them, what can be your sequence of work, which all equipment you would like to use, and don't take, even if one of them is trying to give you some instruction, no, go as per your plan. GTO is watching you.
Yes.
And some of the gentlemen even go to an extent is telling, hey, sir, I got the most difficult obstacle, and I told GTO, sir, since I have not been able to do, I think it is not possible, sir.
Yeah.
It is not that. Those tasks have been tried number of times by even GTO himself try, and there may be more than, I can say, even at least approximately 10 ways a obstacle can be done. And
Yes.
that has been tried, then you are exposed to it. Then you are asked to do it. This was the time. Now you cannot complain कि सर मुझे मौका नहीं मिला. अब पूरा मौका है आपके, प्रूव कीजिए.
जी.
ऐसे ही I will go back to the indoor task of the GTO, where people do not do well in lecturate, do not do, or somebody is not doing well in group discussion. Like he was talking, nobody was listening. I take that way. It generally happens on second or third day. Then question is again same. In lecturate, what about those 3 minutes? Anybody stopped you? No. Was the topic given to you, that particular topic? No, you are selecting out of 4. You have selected a topic. Nobody is disturbing you. I think you should have done justice with that. GTO knows. He's seeing whether you were given a chance or not, or you could not grab the opportunity. But lecturate, like, let us talk very fair. Lecturate, you should have done well.
Yeah.
I think you will agree with me.
Surely, sir. Sure.
And again, I think I left the SRT and VAD part on the TAT also. I will now cover that. In TAT, firstly, there are people who go with a total cramming. They say, मैंने 15 स्टोरी बस लिख रखी है और मैं बस जाते ही धड़ाधड़ लिख दूंगा. I'll narrate you an incident. I asked a person, he says, candidate who just came to meet me a day before going for SSB. I thought, okay, let me check. I asked him, how is your practice about your TAT, current affairs, VAT, SRT? He said, sir, TAT में है ही क्या? 12 स्टोरी आनी है. मुझे पता, एक पिकनिक की स्टोरी मैंने याद की, ठक चिपका दूंगा. मैंने कहा ओके. आई वाज स्लाइटली सरप्राइज. ही सेड, सर, एक सोल्जर्स वगैरह दिखते हैं, उनका सर एक एक्सपीडिशन ठक चिपका दूंगा. ठीक है. आई वाज स्लाइटली कीन कि लेट मी सी व्हाट, कितने कहाँ क्या चिपकाना चाहता है. देन ही सेज, सर, एक स्टोरी में एक्सीडेंट सीन आता है सर. आई नो, फर्स्ट एड, एम्बुलेंस, ऑल दी, एक वो चिपका दूंगा टड़क. आई सेड, यार फिर तो जरूरत ही नहीं थी. लेट मी टेल यू, he came back, I think that was his 7th or 8th entry. And on the other side, recently last week, one of my candidate has got selected. In his 8th chance, he has got selected, and I had told him what path to follow. I always tell, जो सही है ना उसको फॉलो करो, सवाल ही नहीं आप गलत कैसे हो सकते हो.
Yeah.
Like, if I quote a very crude example, if any elderly person, or let's say your teacher is coming from like front, you are in the market,
Yeah.
who will wish first?
Obviously, the me.
Who will say good morning or good evening first? It is you. It cannot be your teacher. So, simple thing in life, follow the correct path. Follow the SSB is meant for simple, straightforward, dedicated leaders. It certainly wants the leaders. Leader always take initiative. He comes out of the worst situation and he will take out his men also out of the worst situation. Okay. Now, let us see. This gentleman, he says, एक इधर चिपका दूंगा उधर चिपका, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता.
Yeah.
Because the picture which you will be getting may have some slight distortion from what you have practiced. Observe. There are students who do not observe that particular picture for 30 seconds. 30 seconds is the given time. I always tell them, if it was not required, you would have given 10 seconds. 30 seconds दिया है, उसको आप use कीजिए. Observe. Sometimes there is an accident scene, there is a horse lying, nobody observes it.
Yeah.
It happens. It happens.
Yes.
Every day I observe people. With 30 seconds, 30 seconds you have to use. People feel they are very smart by using just 10 seconds and 20 for writing. Like they feel they have got 4 minutes and 20 seconds. No, gentlemen, I can assure you, don't try to be chatak with the system. You cannot. And at least with SSB, it is just not possible. They have tested thousands of people like you. So don't even think of trying to fool them.
Yes.
Observe it. When you will observe it, you will see a lot of things in that picture, and your story should match the picture. Sometimes people write very beautiful stories, very motivating, very nice story, but it is not matching the picture.
Yeah.
It has got no value. Your story should have a positive theme. It should have a central character. Central character should have some aim. He should have some status also. And for his aim, he should be doing some actions.
Yeah.
And for those actions, it has to be very logical. It is not sixth में एक बच्चा सोच रहा है डिफेंस एस्पायरेंट बनकर और वो मेहनत किया और suddenly he becomes a general. Not possible.
Yeah. No. Yeah.
It has to be a sequence, logical sequence, and write what really in actual life we do. When we see injured people, what we do? We check what is his condition. We try to give him first aid. We call ambulance. We take him to the doctor. This is the logical way. And then it is doctor's turn to give him treatment. And in case required, we can arrange for blood. We can inform his relatives in case they are not there. This is the actual day-to-day sequence which we follow.
Yes.
No, this was this. In SRT, people start liking writing paragraphs for one situation. A defense officer is supposed to handle more than a dozen of situations at one particular time.
Yes.
And it is no, he cannot be slow. Defense officer cannot be slow. Sometimes he may go wrong also, or he may go on deviation. He may slightly go on any tangent also, but his reaction cannot be slow. Because in warlike situation, I don't know how many situations he is handling. And he has to be very perfect with a balanced mind. SRT, don't write paragraphs. Write short, meaningful, and logical replies, maybe around 10-12 words. Similarly, for sentences, that you get just 15 seconds. And in those 15 seconds, you cannot write long sentence with 10-12 words. 4, 5, 6 words are good enough. You should be able to convey to the person who is judging you that what actually you want to say. Your handwriting may be bad. Let me tell you, SSB experts are real expert in deciphering the worst handwriting in the world. Your handwriting will also be deciphered. Don't think कि जो तुमने लिखा उसको समझ में नहीं आया. He understands. आपसे भी खराब handwriting वाले लोगों को उसने झेला है. And he can take out the correct man out of you from that handwriting also. So this was psychology test. We have covered the outdoor and indoor activities of GTO task. And in interview, be comfortable. Firstly, he will ask a lot of questions based on your PIQ form.
Yes.
That PIQ form you have filled up. You have told him that I play cricket. I have represented my school or my district or my state or maybe a national level. He has not asked you to write that. But when you say I represented at state level, he will surely ask you something related to that. You keep telling I play football. When you are asked who is Sunil Chetri, you cut a sorry figure. Not possible.
Yeah.
If you play hockey, you don't know Dhyan Chand. You give a reply, sir, some very famous old player from India, sir. That cannot be the answer, at least for Dhyan Chand. Well, your knowledge should commensurate to the level which you have played. I once I was interviewing a candidate. He said he has played Ranji Trophy. I said, how many matches? He said, sir, only one match. He was very honest in telling that. Then he has played for the states, university. I said, very nice. I said, do you know how is the cricket scorebook looks like?
Yeah.
He says, sir, वो कागज पे लिखते रहते हैं, ये तो स्कोरर का काम है. I said, I don't say कि स्कोरर का काम नहीं है, but मैंने तो ये पूछा क्या आपने स्कोर बुक देखा है? How you check it कि whether your score has been recorded correctly or not?
Yeah.
How you judges कि how many boundaries you have scored, or how many number of runs you have considered as bowler? Imagine a player who has played one Ranji Trophy match and he would have played number of matches for that particular state and university, but till then he never bothered to see the scorebook. He tells me, sir, मैं तो जाता हूँ चौके छक्के मारता हूँ, bowling अच्छी करता हूँ और आ जाता हूँ. I said, you are at least not fully involved. If tomorrow you have to organize a match, then how you do it? I am very sure in your match you will not even buy a scorebook.
Yeah.
Okay, I give you see Venkat Raghavan. Venkat Raghavan is an ex-Indian cricket captain.
Yeah.
Then he was an international umpire also. Your role changes. You can see lot many cricketers. Now they are commentators, they are coaches, they are experts. So
Yeah.
after a particular age, then I asked him, how you will handle? You don't know rest of the thing and your time for batting and bowling is over. So what I mean to say, अपने PIQ फॉर्म को इतने डिटेल में कवर करना है एंड आस्क क्वेश्चन टू योरसेल्फ व्हाट यू आर राइटिंग. यू आर टेलिंग मैं कब से कब तक मैंने पढ़ाया है, मैंने कब से कब तक ये गेम खेला है, व्हेन आई वाज द स्कूल कैप्टन, व्हेन आई वाज द स्पोर्ट्स कैप्टन, व्हेन आई वाज द क्लास इंचार्ज और द हाउस इंचार्ज. Initial round of questions is based on your PIQ form. Let me tell you. So be vigilant about yourself. Then you cannot be telling, sir, शायद मैं 8th में या 9th में खेलता था, अब मैंने छोड़ दिया है, अब क्या कर? You should know about it. At least nobody is looking in you as an encyclopedia. Nobody is expecting. But a basic you are supposed to know, and that you are telling him. It can be a problem in case you have been a football player and he asks you a question for cricket. Then I agree. Yes, it can be injustice also. Maybe like since IPL is going on or T20 is going, some question can be asked to you because it is part of the current affairs. You should be knowing. Let's see who is the team captain of India for the team which has represented now in the T20 World Cup. That can be there. Okay. And then is current affairs. Of course, gentlemen, current affairs is a vast ocean. And you should be at least knowing 5-7 topics which are really going on. Like nowadays, there are calamities which Arunachal is facing, Kerala is facing, and Uttarakhand is facing. You cannot say कि मुझे नहीं पता. It means you are not open to what is going on in the country and then rest of the world also.
Yes.
You should be live to such situation. You should be live to something going on in Afghanistan. Entire world is bothered. Entire world is in spin. Entire world think tank is every day working. And you say, "Sir, ये मेरा रह गया. इसको मैंने ध्यान से नहीं देखा." I think that will not be correct on your part. If somebody asks you what happened in 1965 Indo-Pakistan, or you may say, "Sir, मुझे इतना ही पता है कि Yeah, there was a war which we won, and we won very comfortably. This it happened in the month of September. And Prime
Yes.
Minister was the Lal Bahadur Shastri, and all these things you can always tell. But not about the Afghanistan problem or the natural calamities which have taken place or the farmer issue which is going on. The farmers from Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Western UP, they have blocked some of the routes which are around the Delhi. You should be live to these things. And at least whatever is your best game, you should be able to answer question on that. You should be able to organize that match, and you can be asked some odd facts and figure also. That should be your spirit. Then about your hobbies,
Yes.
you have said your painting is your hobby, or gardening is your hobby, or whatever, anything can be. But then know about it. Hobby means you are spending some of your cushion time devoting to painting, sketching, listening music, so many things.
Yes.
So at least know about that. Who is your favorite singer if you're in the music, or your instrument which you are playing? In gardening, like what type of gardening you are interested, whether it is uh, you maintain lawn or you grow flowers or it is a kitchen garden. Then you should, if you say kitchen garden is a hobby, then you should know what you are supposed to grow in this particular month when you're talking.
Yes, sir.
है ना? ये मालूम होना चाहिए कैसे बीज उगता है. You are telling कि तुम you devote your time. I met even people who say one of the candidate, like maybe I don't know, he may be in a slightly odd mood. I asked him what is your hobby. He said, "Sir, sleeping." He was thinking, "Hey, I may not have questions on that." I said, "You tell me the most famous person in the world who is famous for sleeping." I think with Indian mythologies we should be aware.
Yeah.
And he said, "Sir, I have not met any." मैंने कहा, it is not possible that you can meet every person, but tell me बहुत ही मशहूर नाम है.
जी. कुंभकर्ण.
And he said, "सर आप बताओ." मैंने कहा, कुंभकर्ण का नाम सुना है? बोला, सर सुना तो नहीं है, लेकिन कुछ कुछ कहीं जिक्र आया है, पर ज्यादा नहीं सुना. मैंने कहा, then sleeping is not your hobby, otherwise he should have been your ideal.
Yeah, sir. Absolutely.
And इससे मुझे याद आया, this boy, when I was talking to him, I asked him, "Who is your best friend?" He said, "Somebody Surinder." I said, "Okay. Can I talk to Surinder? I want to confirm about your hobby." I wanted to stump him in case he is trying to be chatter. And let me, and when I put this phone on speaker, I want to know from Surinder. And he took out his mobile and he dialed some Surinder, which I don't know. He said, you see how he started. Now I'm giving example of positivity and how to really move with a positive aura. And other person says hello, it was on speaker. He said hello, so he said, हाँ. He said, ओए बड़ी मुश्किल से तेरा नंबर लगा है, मेरे फोन में सुरेंदर ही बहुत ज्यादा है यार. He said, इतने ही है तो बाद में बात करना. और उसने फोन काट दिया. तो he said, sir, I think he's annoyed. मैंने कहा, yes, the way you started कि बहुत सारे सुरेंदर हैं, बड़ी मुश्किल से कॉल लगा, you will feel bad. He wants to know he is the only Surinder whom you like.
Yes.
I said, okay, give it to me and dial again. And I said, Mr. Surinder is online. He said, yes, sir. मैंने कहा, कितना मशहूर नाम है. आपके नाम के इतने लोग हैं जिनको हम कई बार प्लेस भी नहीं कर पाते. आपके फ्रेंड के मोबाइल से मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूं. आपका नाम बड़ा मशहूर है. इसके फोन में 10-15 सुरेंदर हैं और बहुत ही मशहूर नाम है. तो कहता है, सर माता पिता ने ऐसा ही मशहूर नाम रख दिया था. सर कहिए मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता. See, सेम सुरेंदर, अपने दोस्त का फोन उसने काट दिया. एंड आई जस्ट सेड, लेट्स टॉक विद रिस्पेक्ट, ऑनर एंड पॉजिटिविटी. आई सेड, बड़ा मशहूर नाम है आपका. एंड ही सेड, सर, ही वाज फीलिंग सो नाइस एंड ही सेड, सर आप बताइए मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूं. आई सेड, टेल मी व्हाट इज द हॉबी ऑफ योर फ्रेंड. He said, sir, he watches lot of movies. Then I asked, मैंने कहा जो बहुत ज्यादा सोता हो वो इतनी मूवी कैसे देखेगा. He said, sir, वो मैंने सोचा कि कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं होगा, तो मैंने सोचा इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर को भी मैं ऐसे ही इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर से चीट मत करो भाई, वो तुम्हारे सिलेक्शन के लिए बैठा है, एंड यू माइट एज वेल आंसर अप्रोप्रिएटली, वेरी सुटेबली एंड इन रिस्पेक्टेबल मैनर. You are going for your career.
Yes.
And don't buy trouble for yourself. Interview is the fantastic thing. Anybody who has got knowledge in which institutions you have studied, what are your hobbies, your games and sports, activities you have done, dramatics, singing, anything which you have participated. And every time, like today, if we talk, there are hardly 8 to 10 matters at the national level, 4 or 5 matters at the international level. We can always follow it. Then you should know about your own state. You should know about your own college, your city.
Yes.
It cannot be possible that if you have been a vigilant people, I have met people from Delhi. They have not seen Qutub Minar. They have not seen Red Fort. They say, sir, actually मैं अभी तक तो वो मैं चाह रहा था एक्स्ट्रा परसेंटेज ले लूंगा सर, और बाद में जब सेटल हो जाऊंगा देख लूंगा. I said, यार इतना तुमने इसमें भी तीर नहीं मार रखा कि तुम्हारे 99% आए. You are getting 70s marks in, and these days scoring in 70s is not a big issue.
Yes.
In 10th, 12th, there was a time 40 years back getting 60% was a big thing because scoring pattern was such. So be vigilant, be careful what is happening around you. I asked a person, I'm not missing, maybe in one of my other interview also I might have told. I asked a student who was claiming that, and he had 97.4% in 10th and 97.5% in 12th. Nobody can doubt the intelligence of such people.
Yes.
I asked him, how's your current affairs? I wanted to know his personality. I just asked, how's your current affairs? He said, sir, it's too good, sir. I know everything about that, sir. आप और कुछ पूछ लीजिए मुझसे. I just asked him, where is Mizoram? He said, sir, it is in Karnataka. I thought my question is wrong. I again repeated. I thought I doubted myself. I said, no, I repeat myself. I have asked, where is Mizoram? He said, sir, I told you it is in Karnataka and I got paper cutting also. So I said, he wants to close the chapter. He wants to tell me, sir, और मत पूछो आप मुझसे, मेरे को पता है मेरे पास paper cutting है. I said, fine. I will not ask you further question. And then I asked similar questions to him. And then he says, कि सर हम तो अपने स्कूल में हमेशा फर्स्ट आए, हमारे क्वेश्चन तो गलती नहीं होते. I said, when you had worked at that time, you got your reward.
Yeah.
When you worked hard in 10th, you got 97.4. When you worked hard in 12th, you got 97.5. You have been compensated. Now this is a new chapter, and now that is a history. Of course, that is a feather in your cap. You have got a good background with such a nice, fantastic percentage. But based on that, you cannot clear this.
Yes.
इसके लिए आज मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. और आप अपनी क्लास में सबसे अव्वल थे, वो अभी आपने जो 2 जवाब दिए उससे प्रूव नहीं हो पा रहा. मैंने you need to work hard. So sometime our students sit on the old glories. That I want to tell you. Old glories are very nice. It gives a very nice look to a resume, but that is a history. You cannot depend on the past glories. This I want to tell students. Some of these students have got another inhibition. One student tells me, since I had trained one of their relative and that girl is already in army, I said, you already had my phone numbers and my references since your father is known to me. Why you never approach me? You have approached me after your maybe 7, 8 rejections.
Yeah.
He said, sir, हमने सोचा, हम तो दीदी से हमेशा ही अव्वल रहे थे. जब दीदी अफसर बन सकती तो हम क्यों नहीं बन सकते? और सर, हम तो दीदी से बहुत ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट है. I said, maybe, I don't deny that, but you see, your didi had more leadership qualities. That's why she got selected in first chance, and you are struggling 7th, 8th chance now. And I think by now you should have realized also कि तुम दीदी से अव्वल नहीं हो. कितनी बार रिजेक्ट होना चाहते हो? He said, sir, इस बार हमारी तैयारी अच्छी है. And so in a day or so he was moving out also. He just came to say hello and maybe by force by his parents to meet me. and I think now he's struggling. I think he might have got there 10, 12 times now. Now the score has increased. So
Yeah.
don't depend on past glory. No comparison. See, one day a batsman score a century. Next match he's out. He cannot say मैं तो century मारता हूँ.
Yeah.
You have not played well. ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर बॉल जा रही थी और तुमने स्निक कर दिया तो आउट हो जाओगे.
Yes.
है ना? So every day is a new day. Every situation is a new situation. Every minute is a new minute in life. And give equal attention to everything. And SSB, every day, every year, you are being tested. No complacency.
Yes.
Be alert, attentive. This is the way I want to tell. And anything which is not clear to you, you must ask whether it is GTO or interviewing officer. They never feel bad when you ask the doubt. Anything which you are not, you in a very respectful manner, you should ask, sir, could you please repeat it? They will repeat it.
Yes.
There may be problem of accent between you and the GTO or interviewing officer. It can be possible. Then still he has explained that you are not understood. You can again say, I'm sorry, sir. Could you amplify it, sir? He
Yeah.
will take another opportunity to explain you. And still you are not, he will give you example to make you understand. So be vigilant in answering also. You cannot, it is question of your career. It is one of the best career in the world. Very
Absolutely.
prestigious career. Fantastic career. Let me tell you, at the age of 21, 22, you are a class one gazetted officer of this country. I think you should make your selection first chance itself, or work hard for that. Yeah. Any question you want to ask?
Yeah, sir. Sir, we all know there's nothing wrong when one is into relationships, but what can one say when he or she is asked about boyfriend or girlfriend in a SSB interview, and also asked to mention his or her good or bad qualities, sir?
Yes. Sometimes such questions are also asked, though normally interviewing officer may ask just to put you on a lighter side. Sometimes people are very tense. And
Yeah.
whatever, let me tell you, you cannot hide anything from these people. So why to take chance?
Yeah.
If you have got girlfriend, why not? Say, yes, sir, I do have. When you have got boyfriends, so for the female candidate, yes, say, sir, I have got a boyfriend and we are classmates, or he is a class senior to me, or he has worked as a guide to me. It can be anything. This is a natural phenomena. This is a very natural phenomena.
Yes,
As
sir.
a college mates, as a school mates, sometimes we have got liking for somebody. Sometimes we have got infatuation. The other person is not even aware. And sometimes we have got very close relations and close bonding with the opposite sex person, male or female. Say
Yes, sir.
yes. Then next question I will tell you what will come out. Why he is your best friend? What are the common qualities which you both of you share? What are the
Yes.
common hobbies you share? There may be common qualities, they may not be, because this kind of relationship, or you can say first sight love also,
Yes.
which a lot of poets have explained. And
Yes.
be frank. Be frank. This interviewing officer, this GTO may land up as your colleague or senior in your unit itself. There is
Yeah.
no harm. Even then you will be discussing him. Then you will be telling your problem also. Sir, I have to meet. Her birthday is there. I have to be present there. Then you are sharing. Why not now also?
Yeah.
और एक और चीज है, मैंने हमेशा सबको बताता हूँ, एक फालतू में मैनिपुलेटिव बात कह के, जिसको वो मैनिपुलेशन इज सिस्टर ऑफ लाई, झूठ का छोटा या बड़ा भाई है ये मैनिपुलेशन.
Yeah.
बोलो ही मत ना, बताओ. लेट मी टेल यू, वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स, वन ऑफ माय कोर्समेट्स, his girlfriend was a very famous personality when we were under training. But
Yeah.
when they had become friends, they were normal class students. Somehow she could rise in her field. No, she landed up to be a member of parliament also. One of my friend, his girlfriend went beyond which, if I tell where she reached, you will automatically hit the name also. That's why I don't want to tell. But
Yeah.
this lady, this her friend of mine, whose wife became member of parliament. They were very good friends. I have seen their letters, let me tell you. There's nothing. Friends, they tell each other. And when he told me for the first time, I said, oh, in fact, I could not believe it. He said, Arey, when we started our friendship, we were normal. I was the class topper. She was in first five. But now that the lady could rise, हर किसी के अपने stars हैं. But he never, उसने कभी उस बात को छुपाया नहीं इस बात को. And किस लिए? Why? I will tell you, firstly, what you are gaining and what you are losing. Nothing. You may lose if you try to hide. And let me tell you, SSB people are so smart. Even if you try to tell you are very good and if you are not, they come to know what you are. So don't hide. Firstly, he is not known to you. He is not going to trouble your relationship. Nothing. And let me tell you, both the gentlemen could not marry their girlfriends. Somehow you can say the stages become so different.
Yes, sir.
Other lady, she became one of the very young member of parliament. The other lady went to a platform at international level. I think then they were on different sides. Still they are friends. I know them. Still they are very good friends. But they could not marry. But they were very good friends. They don't hide these things. I can assure you, don't hide. And let me tell you, these are very pious things. The friendship is very pious thing.
Yes.
It speaks of your personality. It speaks about how faithful you are. It speaks how social you are. There are a lot of good qualities. Let me tell you, all brilliant generals in world, they all had girlfriends.
Yes, sir.
I can tell you. Okay. Yeah. Any other question?
Yeah, sir. Luck favors when one has done his or her part of hard work, sir. But does luck play a role in selection at SSB too, sir?
I will tell you, firstly, it is hard work.
Yeah.
I have never gone by this word luck. Luck will only come when you are really working hard. You have put your best. You have burnt your midnight oil, let me tell you. Everybody has got same amount of time as a student, like you and me when we have been student at different classes. We had classwork, we had homework, we had practical files, we had periodical tests, and we had to prepare also. It is same for everyone. Luck, I can tell you, still if you say, since this word exists, so I don't deny the existence of this word. I say 95% is your hard work.
Yeah.
5% of luck. I will tell you how this luck works sometime. I've been a cricket player also.
Yeah.
And like, suppose you are betting and you have lifted a boundary. Now there are two chances. There may be a Tendulkar on the boundary line.
Yeah.
You are even not very good boundary with not very good height also may go for 6. But imagine if Kiran Pollard is standing on the boundary. He himself is so tall and he takes jump and his hand is 2.5 feet plus.
Yeah, sir.
Their luck matters. And it may be possible that a ball before that, captain would have changed the places. He would have brought Tendulkar at that place and removed Kiran Pollard. And in the same next ball, you have scored that 6. जो तेंदुलकर के हाथ के आधा फीट ऊपर से ही गया है. पोलार्ड होता तो उसकी छाती पे ही लगता हो. है ना. भाई इतना लक जरूर है. इतना लक जरूर हो सकता है. And luck comes where sometime maybe a question asked you in conference and you land up giving a desired answer. You may be a boundary line case, you may fall this side, but don't depend on luck. Work hard.
Yeah.
ये लक वगैरह भी ना हार्डवर्क से ही आता है, वैसे नहीं आता है. दिस इज माय पर्सनल. मैं लक को नहीं कहता हूँ. मैं लक में नहीं जाता हूँ. अगर मेहनत नहीं किया तो देयर इज नो लक.
Yeah. Okay. Sir, a bit tricky question, sir, is asked in the interview about a weakness, and also, sir, how can one explain the same in a positive manner when someone is asked about his or her weakness, sir?
You see, every human being born on earth has got a weakness.
Yes.
Person asking this question to you, he also have so many weaknesses. It is there. But the best part of weakness is that if you know your weakness, then you can overcome it.
Yes.
Understand my point?
Yeah.
Suppose you are weak in running, let us say, then you might have run every day. सुबह भी जाओ शाम को भी जाओ है ना you will build up a stamina and
Yes.
then you will increase your limit from 3 kilometers to 5 to 10 and there may be possible you may start participating in marathons also
Yes.
but there are gentlemen I'll tell you they will say सर वो जब जरूरत पड़ती है तो मैं दौड़ लेता हूँ
Yes.
it means he is not aware about his weakness
Yeah.
है ना his body weight his flash on his face so many things indicate कि his physical fitness is not good that's why and he should know why this question is asked to him
Yes.
he
Sir.
should not end up telling lie also he should be very frank I have seen people frankly they say sir I'm not good at running I'm practicing hard it has improved I've been able to reduce my weight by 2 kgs or 1 kg or half kg they don't bluff about it like there are parts various parts of our country where people are not very fluent at english they
Yes.
do not have a very high-fi vocabulary but the same sentence they also say when I tell them my child you must improve your communication skill polish your english since now it has become compulsion for the world it has
Yes.
become the working language of the world we all have got honor we all have got respect for our mother tongue whether it is punjabi marathi haryanvi rajasthani odia tamil telugu whatever it is but then it has english has become a common language then he
Yeah.
says वो जब जरूरत पड़ती है तो मैं बोल भी लेता हूँ समझ लेता हूँ and these are the kids they are not given even a iota of opportunity during group discussion
Yeah.
the other people don't even let them speak and in ssb in group discussion nobody says ki, let us hear chest number 9 he has not spoken you have not
Yes.
spoken they will not even allow people are so smart
Yes. Sir.
so identifying and knowing weakness is important. Nobody is like so qualified that he or she is not having. Everybody has got. I've got a lot of weaknesses. You may be also having some of the weaknesses.
Yes. Sir.
When we know it, we can do away with. We can improve it. We can. I know a person. Let me tell you, I don't miss my word. I know a friend of mine, very close. I always quote example which I've seen with my own eyes.
Yes. Sir.
My friend, who has been one of my classmates also. And first day, I have seen him telling somebody, "Why your pant is less?" Somebody was wearing a pant which has slightly become short. He might have gained height. या
Yes.
छोटे भाई की पहन के आ गया होगा, है ना? And I remember I tell him this thing even now also. He has retired from a senior rank than me. He has also retired. And he retired as a brigadier, let me tell you.
Yes. Sir.
And first day when we had met in college, he was telling somebody why your pant is less. And now he speaks in a, you can say, a British accent. It
Yes.
becomes very difficult for me and people like me to talk to him, whether on phone or in a conference or in a get together of friends we have. He speaks in a British accent. He comes from total rural background from the farmer family. But
Yes.
it is treat to see him how he speaks. I even take pride in telling him, ये मेरा classmate है. मैं इसी को बोल के pride लेता हूँ कि भाई ये जो इतनी अच्छी अंग्रेजी बोलता है ये मेरा friend है.
Yes.
And he speaks so well. And when sometime when we are in lighter mood, I always tell him, मैंने कहा don't forget those days when you used to say why your pant is less.
Yes.
ये बात मेरा बताने से मकसद ये है, I am not exposing him, but he in first 1 or 2 years service, the fluency he had developed. Imagine had he studied in a convent school, I don't know in which accent he would have been talking and what kind of vocabulary he would have had. He has studied in a government high school. Let me tell you, government high school of Haryana. And I am telling you, it is very difficult to stand in front of him now the way he speaks. Fantastic. I don't have words. मैं ये कहता हूँ लोगों से, जब ऐसे लोग इतना अच्छे मुकाम पे पहुंच सकते हैं मेहनत करके, तो हर वीकनेस को दूर किया जा सकता है.
Yes.
Somewhere it would have pinched him that his accent, which had a Haryanvi accent, every region has got their own accent. A Khalsa speaks in a Punjabi accent.
Yes.
He speaks English in Punjabi. In Tamil or Telugu, they got a lot of accent, that kind of accent of that particular area. But it is treat to watch him. It is treat to watch him. और कितना उसने अपने आप को चेंज कर दिया है. I have seen those people, my classmates, my schoolmates, who were not good at games, and they have reached to very high level in games when they started off.
Yes.
I know a friend of mine, he's a squash player. He is a classmate of mine. Once he was ticked off by a senior officer that you are very good in outdoor games. This squash and all these things is none of your business. He said, firstly, let me tell practice. You are my first target. तुझे हराऊंगा सबसे पहले. You think you are champion? Because my friend was a very good hockey player. He had good stamina, and after 6 months of practice, इसको भी हराया and he reached to the services level.
That's great.
Sometimes things should pinch. It will pinch when you realize you are really weak. If you keep thinking you are a hell of a cat, you are a big shot, then that is the end. जब आपने ignorance और arrogance का combination पाल लिया है, then that is the end of improvement.
Yes.
Ignorance and arrogance combination is the worst enemy. अरे मुझे क्या सिखा सकता, मुझे तो सब आता है. Then आप इससे आगे कुछ नहीं सीख पाओगे. This is also one of the problems.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Sir, a bit controversial question, sir, I must say. People and aspirants on Quora have one major recurring doubt, sir, that are the defense background candidates preferred over the non-defense background candidates, sir?
Okay. I also come across such questions, and let me tell you, I am very frank. In fact, these days, rejection rate of people from military backgrounds is much higher. Rejection rate from even similar kind of schools also is very high, because people get into divination that I am not from military school, I am not from Sainik school, I am not from RIMC, I am not from defense background. Mera kya hoga?
Yes, sir.
No. People from defense background are grilled nice and proper in the SSB, because lot of things they are supposed to have, they have lived in that kind of environment. Expectation from them is higher, and
Yes.
if they don't prove, they are not selected. A very high rejection rate is there these days. Yes, when sometimes people do not make it, they tend to develop this kind of inhibition also. And sometimes what happens, there are very good category of boys and girls who come from defense background. When they get selected, other may feel this thing. But
Yes.
let me tell you, in SSB, a lot of very, very big shots of this country have got rejected. I don't want to name them. And they have not only been rejected once, twice, thrice, and 4 times also. It is good that they could rise in their career so high that the entire world knows them. It is good for the nation also. It is good for the, and SSB only decides that whether you are fit to be a defense officer or not. Tomorrow you may become anything. Tomorrow you may be the president of India. You may head the World Bank. You may head the UN also. But they say not suitable to be a defense officer. And let me tell you, sometimes it is good also, because your aptitude is something different, and you are trying to enter into different field just by seeing the brass on shoulders or parade of 26th January. And you see, there are a lot of people, I think, let us say if Tendulkar would have come to army, from where we would have such kind of batsmen?
Yes.
सदी के महानायक कैसे बनते अगर फौज में आ जाते तो,
Yes.
है ना? कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? कितने करोड़ों लोग देखते हैं रोज बैठ के, कौन देखता, है ना?
जी.
Who would have, like, we would not have got missiles had Kalam Saab been selected, or great president, such a great personality of the world.
Yes.
We are lucky to have such men born in our country. Had he been a soldier, like, we would not have got missiles.
Absolutely.
I see right man for the right place. Right man. Tendulkar, when he went to, there was a foundation which was opened by Dennis Lilly in Chennai long back. And Tendulkar had gone for the trials as a bowler. Lilly suggested him, you try your luck in batting. You will not fit into bowler. In the same academy, Javagal Srinath and Venkatesh Prasad were also there, if I am not wrong.
Yeah.
And this foundation was, MRF Foundation or something was that. I still remember, I was also a student in those days, or maybe in my early career. But Tendulkar, see the change. Imagine, he would have become a normal Ranji Trophy off spinners.
Yeah.
Maybe. But he would not have become what Tendulkar is today as Tendulkar.
Yeah.
It is, sometimes we feel pain, we feel pinched that I have not been recommended, but it may be good also for future, because your aptitude is for different thing. I feel that way. I may be wrong, but it is my way of thinking.
Okay.
Yes.
Sir, I personally have seen in a very basic job interview, the interview has to ask at the end, why should we hire you? And how to answer a similar question in SSB, like, why do you want to join the army? And what can be a very genuine response to that, sir?
Yes, the first part of the question we have asked you, that why I should hire you. This question comes in a commercial world.
Yes.
This question comes in a commercial world where a particular company is hiring you and giving you a particular package. And the second question which you asked is certainly asked in SSB. And this question is asked, though the outcome is same.
Yeah.
Basically, he wants to know that what are your good qualities which will be suitable to me. Here, suitable to me means defense, and there means that particular company for whichever field it is dealing with. But point is same. Let me tell you, the words are different. So now you have to tell him about your qualities, how you have performed in that particular SSB. How even now when this question is being asked, and maybe this may be a 10th question or 15th question of them, you can see, sir, with the kind of, firstly, why you should take me, these are my qualities.
Yes.
You want a leader? I'm a leader. I'm a positive thinker. I have got confidence. I participate in these events. I've been a sports person. I've fought my way through. I've got fighting spirit. I've got sportsman spirit. A sportsman has got a lot of positive qualities.
Yes, sir.
Sportsman has got leadership qualities. Those are inbuilt. हारते हारते मैच को भी जीत में कन्वर्ट करना एक स्पोर्ट्समैन ही कर पाता है.
Yeah.
एंड वो करता है जो आखिर तक छोड़ता नहीं है. I will quote you an example also for that. And similarly, on the commercial world also, you have to tell if he requires a person with software engineer. He has to tell
Yeah.
his skill. I know this language, that language. This is my speed. How can I can work out? I can create this for you. And when you are telling I can create this for you, other gentlemen understand. Yes, he know मुझे इससे क्या चाहिए और ये कर सकता है. Same is the with the defense. They want a leader. They want a bold and confident person. They want an honest person. They want a person who has got an initiative. And these very basic things starts from your grooming up. Let me tell you, Rome was not built in a day.
Yeah.
You have seen people, एक नलका चल रहा है और उसके बगल से 25 लोग चले गए हैं. Maybe your school topper has gone, your school captain has also gone. One child just goes to the right और वो उसको बंद कर देता है. हो सकता है उसको बंद करने में उसके जूते में पानी घुस सकता है या उसकी पॉलिश थोड़ा पानी गिर जाए तो चमक भी खराब हो सकती है. But he knows the responsibility and he had an initiative. उसने उसको जाके क्लोज किया है ना। तो बहुत ही छोटी चीजें हैं जो जिंदगी में अलग इम्पैक्ट छोड़ती हैं. एंड
Yes.
व्हेन दिस जेंटलमैन इज आस्किंग, you say, sir, you want a sportsman? I've been a sports person. I have excelled in that also, whether you have played football at school level, district level. And then curricular activities are there. Your general knowledge is there. And you can always say, sir, I think till now I have performed well. You have also been judging me, and I'm open to all kind of questions.
Yes.
In there may be a position that you might have been selected by the group to give the solution in group planning exercise. There may be a possibility that even in group discussion also you would have given a final, you can say, verdict from the on behalf of the group. You have emerged as a natural leader. You might have been, you might have emerged as a natural leader in progressive group tasks and half group tasks, where GTO would have seen you. Yes, everybody is tired or stamina has gone, and you are the one person who are pulling them in around third obstacle.
Yes.
You have proved your physical fitness during your individual obstacle. You can tell, sir, I have already repeated 2 obstacles in the given time, and it is seen and be live to that day's particular situation. The example I have quoted, you may not have that day, you may not have repeated 1 or 2 obstacles, but you might have emerged as a leader in progressive group tasks. You might have
Yes.
emerged as a leader in group discussion. So it is in front of you, and they know it. And your PIQ form is telling. Your PIQ form is something like, in a layman language, we say it is your Janam Patri.
Yes.
Your
Janam Kundli
stars will,
video. Yeah.
या वो पंडित जी आपके जो ग्रह स्थिति कुंडली के हिसाब से ही निकाल पाते हैं. उनको अक्षांश रेखाएं और देशांत का पता होना चाहिए उस दिन.
Yes.
This is my way of thinking. I may be wrong also. Yeah.
Okay, sir. So it is said that there is actually a very low selection ratio in NCC special entries, and even at times the whole batch is washed out. What, according to you, are the former or NCC cadets are doing wrong, and how can they increase their chances of selection, sir?
Okay. Let me come to NCC. I have handled the NCC cadets also. I had a tenure. In fact, I had 2 tenures in NCC also, and in a different areas.
Yeah.
Student of different variety also. One thing is, firstly, your point is correct. Let me tell you, lot of people get screened out itself. But reason is, let me tell you, whenever it can be any of the top exam, or it can be an entrance test for your primary section also. Your preparation. Your one wrong thing which gets into head of NCC cadet. Let me tell you, I have seen NCC boys and girls from very closer angle. I have seen them in RD parade also, Republic Day parade, where
Yes.
the best cadets from every state come. And one thing which really slightly gets into their head is, they say ki, we are getting direct call without facing the written test. All those
Yeah.
candidates who are called for NCC entry, and in the bargain they stop reading current affairs. They stopped because we, every student have got, we also have got, जब exam देना है तो तैयारी करते हैं.
हाँ, sir.
When they don't have to appear for written test, they are not able to perform well. In fact, I always feel, yes, give them, like, this is a trained force. This is the being trained by the officers, JSOs and NCOs of Indian Army.
Yes.
It is a trained reserve force available to the nation. But still, they have got reserve vacancies. Why not? They should also be processed through the written test. Their merit can be separate. Who denies it?
Yeah.
I am not against anybody's share. जिसका जो हिस्सा बनता है जिंदगी में, उसको वो मिलना चाहिए.
Yes.
NCC has got reserve vacancies, they should get it. But for segregation, to segregate best out of these people and put them on right track of preparation for SSB, put a written test, let there be separate merit, Let there be a cutoff also. Some basic cutoff should be there. There's no
Yes.
harm in that. And let them appear in the same CDS test. See where they stand.
Yeah.
His or her vacancies are there. I'm not against that. From my side, even increase the vacancy for them. Especially, I feel the vacancies for the girls are less.
Yeah, sir.
Hardly any vacancies, 6 or 7 with every course, maybe 5 also.
Yeah. Sir.
And let me tell you, they're such a brilliant kids. They even after passing SSB, since they are not in merit, they are not able to join it, which is I feel slightly injustice. Girls vacancy should be more, and even
Yes.
vacancy for NCC can be more, but let them go through written test. If they don't go through written test, uh, there are kids who are not even able to face SSB because they have not been given any such exposure also.
Yes.
NCC is exists in every district of the country. Approximately, we have got 700 districts with different vernaculars. We need to groom them up. They have done their bit. They have done good in NCC. They have done their C certificate. They know sense of dress. They have punctuality. They are physically fit. Then let us motivate them to clear a written test also, and let there be totally separate merit,
Yes. Sir.
and that merit can only be for these students. This is one reason which I feel, and since they don't have to appear in the written test, that complacency also sets in. That is there. That's what I feel. Otherwise, I don't doubt that capabilities. But we have to select best.
Yeah.
Anybody who's not performing will not be accepted. There should not be any doubts about that. But yes, we can increase their vacancies after putting them through written test. This is a better trained force which is available to us.
Yeah. Okay.
Before coming to army, they know how to march, they know how to fire, they know the military way of getting into fallens, they know how to do obstacles, they have got strengths of dressing, they have got a lot of military qualities. But then you have to guide them. Let us put them through the some written test. I think they will prepare, and that kind of rejection can also be saved. And I feel anybody who's not coming up to the mark, especially people coming from very rural backgrounds and may not be very intelligent also, why not to recruit them directly into army?
Yeah. Sir.
This is a trained force. At least people from Republic Day parade ground, after performing the RD parade, and those who know their capability and wants to join as a Jawan also, they should be given opportunity.
Yes.
There's a lot now. We cannot say we train them to become only officer. Yes, we train them. They should become an officer. But all those who are not able to make it, then what to do? Why to waste this trained force? I feel the authorities who are competent to take such decision, they can give a thought to it. I may be wrong or right, I don't know, but I strongly feel about it. From the RD parade ground, anybody who claims that I want to become a Jawan, he should be. Because only then medical test is left. He has performed drill for so many months,
Yeah.
and he or she has performed on Rajpath. That's what we expect from a Jawan. So for officer, they should put a written test. Surely it should be there.
Okay.
Yes.
So, being a former NCC cadet, I agree with every point you said, sir. Okay.
Okay. Very nice to know. You have been NCC cadet from which directorate?
Sir, my directorate was MP and CG, sir.
Okay, MP and Chhattisgarh. And
Yeah,
I'm
sir.
sure you must still be remembering your days when you had
Yeah.
joined NCC, when you attend the CTC camps also,
Yeah, sir.
and you might have got chance in case for any mountaineering camp or any other camp.
I've actually
National.
attended, sir, two camps, two national camps. One was EBSB, Ek Bharat Shresh Bharat camp, and the other was All India Trekking camp, sir.
Okay, you must be those memories must be still fresh in your mind.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, you were talking about NCC, and I was not nostalgic about the same.
And let me tell you, I have handled these kids. They are
Yeah.
very brilliant, physically very fit, But since they come from such a rural background, that their exposure to OIR test, their exposure to
Yes, sir.
English language is not there. They are not able to write stories in English. There are people. If we say it is not there, then I think we are not talking correct. I
Yes,
have
sir.
seen. I have seen people from Bihar, Eastern UP, or Haryana, Punjab. I have seen people, and their capabilities are there. And I say, every student cannot become an officer, and a student who thinks that he wants to become a Jawan when he has decided, and he has performed RD parade, I think entry should be there from that ground itself.
Yes,
And quota for that particular state should be he should be counted in that the quota of the particular state, since our vacancies are divided into recruitable male population for the state. So that can always be done. It is not a big there's not a big science. He can always be calculated. It's not a big strength. Very few candidates would like to come after RD parade. Let them join.
yes, sir.
Their test also. There can be a test in the RD parade ground itself. Why not? And
Yeah,
finish off the matter. It will be a morale boosting thing for them as well as for their parents. People really come from very humble background also.
yes. Sir, I've been an under officer, and I've seen like they were like the people from rural background actually they are very much determined about joining the forces at Jawan also. So they were also determined about joining the doing parade on RD Rajpath, sir. And sir, I've seen that they are actually very determined and they work very hard, sir. I've seen that, and I want
Very
to quote
hard.
the same.
I've got my all praise for them. I've got my all praise for them. And they have got all soldierly qualities. I don't
Yes,
know why we are missing them.
yes,
Why we miss them. A lot of them are not able to join even as a Jawan also. But at least RD Parade is a platform from where anybody who is not able to become an officer, and if he desires to become a Jawan, he should be after
yes.
medicals.
I
Yes.
totally agree with you. This. Okay, sir. So we are now moving towards the final bout of the session and last and final question for you, sir. What are your final words of suggestion and motivation for the aspirants who are viewing the session, sir, right now?
Okay. Firstly, I am very strong believer of hard work.
Yeah,
Let me tell you, if you work hard in a correct direction, I have added a word correct direction. You have to have a correct direction. You have to have suitable study material also. Sometimes people are carrying one small OER book which they might have revised 10 times. Spend money on your books. You should have maps of world, India, political and physical, map of your state in your study room.
yes,
You should be in position of atlas. You should have a dictionary in your study table. You should make a good friend circle of 4 or 5 like-minded people who wants to who has got the same aim, who are defense aspirants, so that you can carry out group discussion, you can carry out lecturate, you can carry out mock interviews, and all your spare time can be utilized with these friends. Study material, very important. Making group, another very important. Then time management. You cannot say मुझे time नहीं मिला. सबके लिए degree of difficulty is same.
yeah,
How meticulously you utilize your time. Improve your communication skills. It is it is not your fault in which area of country you have born, but then you have to develop communication skill. Every area has got some advantage also
yes, sir.
and some disadvantage, and communication skill certainly comes. But now this English speaking has not remained a big problem in the country. Now I've seen even the students from rural areas, their English is fantastic. You can
Yes,
also develop. Yes, selection of correct, suitable, and appropriate vocabulary is also important. Your communication skill and even your writing skill are also important. You are not expected to speak very bombastic words or to write very bombastic words. No, write simple but correct. Time management, I feel it's very good. And keep a good company of friends who motivates you. Your friend may be planning for civil services,
Yeah.
or maybe Indian Railways, maybe Indian Forest Services. Directions of friends may be different. Like he may be planning for a startup business also. But quality of friends in life, that really matter. I am a great supporter because I have myself felt I always had very good friends,
Yeah.
and your friends are really you accelerator in your achievements. Friends are boon, big boon. Let me tell you, be very selective about your friends. And SSB is the easiest way of becoming officer if it has got in you. You will not be sent back. You will be recommended, put through medical, and you will get a date for joining academy.
Yeah.
Read also. Never be overconfident, especially about your past glories. Never compare yourself with other friend. Your position was first in class, and the person who used to come 10th in class has made it in first chance. Imagine this time he has worked hard. Now he is first in class, you are 10th. When you had worked hard, you were first.
Yeah.
Never think things will go remain same in the life. Never. Every day work hard. Every day be focused. Be focused and don't be overconfident. Develop two, three habits. Never tell a lie. Talk straightforward. Talk to the point. And don't think, don't try to make fool of person sitting on the other side of chair.
Yeah.
Let me tell you, nobody can stop you from getting into defense forces. Defense forces require leaders, honest people, straightforward people who have got honest, who has got leadership qualities, and who are brave. That's what I can say. I wish good luck to all the listeners, and you can share my number with them. They
Sure.
are free to post me any query on WhatsApp. They can give me call also. If I'm driving, I may not pick up the call, or if I'm busy, but certainly seeing a missed call, I can vouch 100% I will reply them back. And till something is left, just send me a WhatsApp message.
Yeah.
I interact with at least 15 to 20 candidates every day who are not connected with me. And sometime maybe 10 minutes, 5 minutes. WhatsApp message, there's no limit. I keep replying them. And sometimes I am very surprised. When generally I go to sleep around 12:30 or 1 o'clock, still there are candidates who are awake, who are alert, and I say who are so vigilant, they know, okay, sir will be free now, post him message. And they immediately expect answer from me because uh, I have developed this kind of habit, and they have got that kind of faith also.
Yeah.
They know they will get a reply. You can also try. I am always available to anybody, any student who want to work hard, and try once.
Sure, sir. I'll even paste the number in the video, sir. That will be a great help, sir.
You can post my that link also, which gives my YouTube link also,
Sure,
and
sure.
link for my that free assessment which I carry out for every student. And though
Sure.
I have given time 45 minutes for free assessment, but that sometimes even lasts for 2 hours also. I I finish this assessment when the candidate says, "Sir, now I don't have any question."
Yeah.
You can also try yourself,
Sure,
and
sir.
be
I'll do.
assured you will be given adequate time, and a very dedicated, thorough assessment will be done. Till date, I think I might have assessed approximately 1,300 plus candidates,
That's really great.
and I think 100 approximately 150 around 150 videos are floating around, which maybe even less than 1 minute videos are also there.
Yeah.
Watch them. Must be very useful. And for various categories, various hobbies, for everything, I made separate videos for 10 minutes, 7 minutes, 6 minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes, barring some videos which are of selected candidates, which deliberately I have kept longer so that a lot of doubts which student asks, I have asked the person who has got selected.
Yes.
Some of them may be very odd question, but I have asked because those questions are asked to me by some of the candidates.
Yeah.
So feel free, be confident. जिंदगी में कोई भी टारगेट ऐसा है ही नहीं जो आपको रोक सकता है. गॉड इज वेरी फेयर टू एवरीवन. जो मेहनत करेगा वो ले रहेगा. सकल पदार्थ सब जग माही, बिना मेहनत पावत नहीं. थैंक यू सो मच.
Sir, thanks for clearing out our doubts, sir. It was really wonderful interacting with you. And thanks for all the time, despite of such a hectic schedule, sir. I hope you had great experiences being with us.
Very nice. I'm feeling very nice, and I'm so grateful to you that you gave me a chance to interact with the students. I am really honored, and what I said, I really mean it. Anybody whom you feel, you can share my number with anyone.
Sure, sir. I'll do, sir. I'll do that.
And whatever I said, it does not cost anything to anyone. Whether my videos are there, whether my WhatsApp questions are there, all these are free of cost. Certainly, anybody who joins my particular course, and my classes are one-on-one. At one point of time, only one student in class for 1.5 hours. It is like you and me, we have interacted. Similarly is with the students. And every day lecturate, group discussion, TAT, SRT, VET, so many things are being done. Group planning exercise, everything is being done to the satisfaction of the individual. I hope I answered your questions to what you expected.
The answers were actually very detailed and to the point, sir, that the aspirants would actually understand very well, because sir, you quoted the examples as well. And this is something, sir, they actually need that.
Let me tell you, मैं एक और चीज आपको बताना चाहता हूँ. मैं कई बार मुझे नहीं पता ये सही एग्जाम्पल है या नहीं है. मैं कई बार अपने स्टूडेंट्स को बताता हूँ और मैंने देखा है, जैसे एक आदमखोर शेर होता है ना. एक बार वो आदमी का जब ह्यूमन का मांस चख लेता है तो जंगल में 30 किलोमीटर भी जाएगा, लेकिन उसको खाना आदमी का ही मीट है. जिसने एक बार सेना में अधिकारी बनने की सोच ली है ना, हाफ ऑफ द बैटल इज वन. वो बन के ही रहेगा, चाहे वो कई समटाइम बस देयर आर डिफरेंट बसेस. या तो वो एनडीए वाली बस में चढ़ जाएगा, नहीं तो सीडीएस में आएगा, ओटीए में आएगा, टेक्निकल में आएगा, और मैंने तो लोगों को एसीसी में भी आते देखा है. एंड आई हैव सीन पीपल जॉइनिंग टीए आल्सो. बट एक बार जिसके दिल में आ गया कि मुझे सेना में अधिकारी बनना है, उसको मुझे लगता है शायद खुदा से नीचे कोई नहीं रोक सकता. God is the only power on this earth who can stop him, because I think Almighty might have kept something, some brilliant thing for such man. And when Almighty says we all are, we believe in our different religions, and I think उससे नीचे दुनिया में कोई ताकत नहीं है. आप बनेंगे ही बनेंगे अगर आपने होल हार्टेड कर. ये मेरा अटूट विश्वास है. मैंने लोगों को देखा है, एंड जिनके लिए लोग सोचते थे ये कभी नहीं बनेगा, उनको भी मैंने एसीसी से बनते देखा है. एंड वन पर्सन आई हैव सीन, ही मिस्ड ऑल हिज बसेस. He even tried for Army Education Corps also, which is at up to 27 years of age. And he contacted me. I said, जैसे मैंने उसको भी एक बार ये बात कही थी. We were classmates. And I said, यार ऐसा है नहीं, ऐसा मुझे लगता है. उन दिनों मेरा इतना तजुर्बा नहीं था जिंदगी के प्रति, पर I was a young captain, but I told this. He said, यार मेरे बारे में बता ना. So I told him the same thing. He tried CDS, then he tried Education Corps also, and he said, अब बता. In one of the my casually he said, अब बता अब मेरा क्या होगा. I said, एक बस और बची हुई है अभी. He said, तू हर बार एक बस बता के चला जाता है. मैंने कहा एक टीए बचा है, and he's a TA officer now. And now he tells me, अब तक तो मेरी जान के पीछे पड़ जाता, छुट्टी जाता था, तूने कहा था. मैंने कहा अब बता. He said, यार अब मैं लोगों को ये बात बताता हूँ. बोला now I propagate this thing कि my friend used to tell me and I am here. He's a good businessman, let me tell you. He's very well placed. He's very well placed. But उसके दिल में था ये कि मुझे डिफेंस ऑफिसर बनना ही है. इनफैक्ट ही इज वेरी हाईली प्लेस्ड इन सिविल and he is a TA officer also and I feel very good when I meet him. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है ना?
Yeah.
Or anything else you want to ask?
That's it, sir. Okay, guys. With this, the session comes to an end. And if there are any queries that you feel, you can answer down. We'll answer down those in the comment section. And thanks again, sir. Thanks for your words and thanks for all the things you shared with us. It was, again, I would say that was really a very, very interactive session.
So
And,
nice. I enjoy meeting young people like you and you have given me a chance. इतने लोगों से मुखातिब होने का आपने मुझे मौका दिया. मैं आपका बहुत ही शुक्रगुजार हूँ. जय हिंद. जय हिंद. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Jai Hind.